Today, I am reviewing the Dell Optiplex 7010 Micro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The world of desktop computing has shifted dramatically over the past few years, moving away from those massive, floor-standing towers and toward these incredibly compact micro form factor machines. Today we are talking about the Dell Optiplex 7010 Micro, specifically the 2023 version with the 13th generation Intel Core i5 processor. If you want to take a look at the current pricing or explore the specifics of this certified refurbished model, you can check out the links provided below this video. This tiny machine is a fascinating piece of hardware because it manages to pack so much capability into a box that is barely larger than a stack of coasters. It is a testament to how far internal component density has come, and it is a reminder that you really do not need a hulking tower on your desk to get serious work done. Let us start with the heart of this machine, which is that 13th generation Intel Core i5-13500T processor. The T-series chips from Intel are specifically designed for these tiny systems. They are power efficient, meant to generate less heat than their standard desktop counterparts, yet they still provide 14 cores and 20 threads. In practice, this means you have a surprising amount of computational headroom. Whether you are running a complex set of spreadsheets, managing local databases, or juggling a heavy web browser with dozens of tabs, the processor rarely feels like the bottleneck. It handles the bursty tasks of everyday office work exceptionally well. Because it is a 13th gen chip, it is still very much relevant in the current software landscape, offering snappy responsiveness that feels faster than older office towers might. Now, because this is an Amazon renewed unit, it is important to talk about the expectations that come with that. You are getting a machine that has been professionally inspected and restored, which often results in significant cost savings compared to buying a brand new unit from the enterprise catalog. However, you are buying a used piece of hardware, so there is always the potential for minor cosmetic signs of previous use. In my experience with these machines, the functionality is usually indistinguishable from new, and you get the benefit of a machine that has likely been thoroughly tested for stability. It is a great way to stretch a budget without sacrificing the enterprise-grade build quality that the Optiplex line is legendary for. One of the biggest selling points of the 7010 Micro is its physical footprint. You can mount this behind a monitor, tuck it under a shelf, or just let it sit unobtrusively on the corner of your desk. It is silent in most environments, and it clears up so much space compared to a traditional desktop. The inclusion of the wireless keyboard and mouse bundle in the box is a nice convenience, though I have to be honest and say that these included peripherals are usually entry-level. They work perfectly fine for getting you up and running on day one, but if you spend 8 hours a day typing, you will probably want to upgrade to a more ergonomic keyboard and a mouse that fits your hand better down the road. Still, for an all-in-one purchase, having everything you need in the box is a helpful touch. The connectivity is surprisingly robust for such a small system. On the front, you have a nice mix of legacy and modern ports, including a USB Type-C port, which is essential these days for connecting docks, high-speed storage, or modern peripherals. On the back, you get more USB ports, an RJ45 Ethernet port for a hardwired network connection, and 2 DisplayPort outputs. That dual monitor support is a core feature for this machine. If you are doing any kind of administrative or office work, being able to run 2 monitors at high resolution is a productivity requirement, not a luxury, and this Optiplex handles that without any fuss. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth is also standard and keeps your desk clutter-free by allowing you to connect to the network and your wireless audio devices without needing extra dongles. However, we need to address the limitations. This is not a gaming machine. It relies on integrated Intel graphics, which are perfectly tuned for office productivity, web browsing, and media consumption, but they will fail miserably if you try to run modern, demanding games or intensive 3D rendering software. If your work involves heavy video editing or complex 3D design, this is not the right tool for the job. You would be hitting the thermal limits of that T-series processor and the limitations of the integrated graphics very quickly. This computer is designed for business, education, and light home office use, and it performs best when it stays within those lanes. Another point of consideration is the 256GB SSD. It is fast, and because it is an NVMe PCIe drive, your system will boot up in seconds and applications will launch almost instantly. That speed is great. But 256GB is not a lot of space in 2026. If you have a large library of local photos, videos, or massive project files, you'll fill that drive up very quickly. You can definitely add external storage, and the USB ports are more than fast enough to handle high-speed external drives, but it is something to keep in mind. If you're the type of person who likes to keep everything locally stored, you might find yourself shopping for a larger drive or an external storage solution sooner than you think. When we talk about the target audience, this machine is almost perfectly suited for the home office user, the small business owner, or the student who needs a reliable, compact computer for research and writing. It is for the person who values a clean desk and wants a machine that is stable and unlikely to have hardware issues. Because it is an Optiplex, it is built to be modular and easy to service. If you ever need to upgrade the RAM or replace the SSD, the chassis is designed to be opened easily, and the internal layout is quite clean. That repairability is something you rarely see in ultra-thin consumer laptops, and it is a major reason why these business desktops have such a long lifespan. I think the value proposition here is really about the balance between performance and desk space. There are plenty of mini PCs on the market from various brands, but when you go with the Dell Optiplex line, you're getting a machine that has been tested for enterprise-level endurance. It is designed to be left on, to be used consistently, and to be managed by IT departments if necessary. That translates well to home use because it means you are buying a machine that is not going to surprise you with strange stability issues or overheating problems. It is just a workhorse. If you are a professional who spends most of their time in cloud-based applications, web browsers, and Microsoft Office, this machine is going to be incredibly satisfying to use. It just gets out of your way. You are not constantly looking at your computer and wondering why it is lagging or why it is so loud. It is quiet, it is fast, and it is reliable. That simplicity is worth quite a bit. There is a certain peace of mind that comes with using a machine that is built for the sole purpose of getting things done, rather than a machine that is trying to sell you on a fancy design or a high refresh rate screen that you do not need for your spreadsheets. What about those who should avoid this? If you're someone who likes to tinker with high-end graphical hardware, or if you need a machine that can handle heavy creative workloads, skip this and go for a workstation-class tower. If you need massive internal storage capacity, this is also going to be a headache unless you use external storage. There is also the matter of the RAM. It comes with 16 gigabytes, which is plenty for almost all office space multitasking. But if you are doing something that requires virtual machines or heavy-duty data analysis, you might eventually want to bump that up. The good news is that the memory is usually accessible and upgradable, but again, keep your expectations realistic for this class of computer. I also want to mention the power adapter. It uses an external 90W power brick. While the desktop itself is tiny, you do have to manage that power cable and the brick. It is not as bad as some of the massive power supplies used for gaming laptops, but it is another thing to consider when you're planning your cable management. I find that using some simple cable ties to attach the power brick to the underside of the desk or the back of the monitor stand makes the whole setup look very professional and clean. When comparing this to a traditional tower, you're essentially losing nothing in terms of performance for standard tasks and gaining a massive amount of space on your desk. I have found that moving to these micro desktops changes how I organize my entire workspace. When your computer is the size of a book, you have so much more freedom to arrange your monitors, your desk mat, and your peripherals. It makes the desk feel more spacious and organized, which in itself can help you feel more productive. It is a small change in form factor that has a surprisingly big impact on the overall feel of your work environment. One of the things that stands out with the 13th Gen i5-13500T is just how efficient it is. It does not feel like it is working hard to keep up with standard daily demands. You can have a browser open with many tabs, a background process running, and a video call active at the same time, and the system stays cool and keeps the fan noise down. That is the magic of these newer processors in a desktop environment. They have enough power to be overkill for basic web browsing, but are tuned to be very efficient for the middle ground of productivity. It is a very sweet spot for a system that you want to keep for a long time. It is worth reiterating that Windows 11 Pro is the standard here. For any professional or power user, having the Pro version of Windows is helpful. You get better control over updates, which is huge if you are someone who does not want their computer to randomly restart for a patch during an important task. You also get features like BitLocker encryption, which is important if you store sensitive business documents or personal data on your drive. It just provides a more robust, business-ready foundation than the home version of Windows, which is another reason why these Optiplex machines are so well regarded. If you are currently struggling with an old, noisy, slow computer that takes forever to start up, moving to a modern micro PC like the 7010 is going to feel like a massive upgrade. It is the kind of leap forward that makes you wonder why you waited so long to change. The speed of the NVMe drive alone is going to make your system feel like it is jumping to the next level of responsiveness. Everything is just instant. You click an icon and the app opens. You save a file and it is gone. That snappy feel is something that stays with you and makes the whole computing experience much more enjoyable. The aesthetic of the machine is also very professional. It is understated. It is a box of matte black plastic and metal that doesn't try to look like a spaceship. It fits in anywhere from a minimalist home setup to a bustling corporate office. It is not going to draw any unwanted attention. It is a tool, and it looks like a tool. That is the kind of design maturity that I think is missing from a lot of the consumer market where everything has to be flashy or RGB lit. There is beauty in the simplicity of this box. It does its job, and it does it well, and it does not feel the need to be the center of attention on your desk. Think about the long term. If you invest in this machine today, you are getting hardware that is robust enough to handle the software of 2026 and likely well into the future. The Optiplex line has a reputation for being tanks. They are used in schools, hospitals, and government buildings for a reason. They are designed to be abused and to keep running. When you take that level of engineering and put it into a home environment where it is treated with a bit more care, you're almost guaranteed to get a great return on your investment. It is not an exciting purchase in the way a new phone or a gaming console might be, but it is a smart purchase that serves your long-term interests. There is also the benefit of the ecosystem of accessories that are available for these micro PCs. Because they are a standard form factor, you can buy all sorts of mounts, stands, and even Visa mounts that allow you to attach the PC directly to the back of a monitor. If you are really into the idea of a clean desk, you can hide this computer entirely behind your display, leaving only your keyboard, mouse, and monitor on the surface of your desk. That is a level of cable management and clutter reduction that is impossible to achieve with a traditional desktop tower. When I look at this machine, I see a really practical solution to a very common problem: wanting a powerful, reliable computer without wanting the bulk and the mess of a tower. It hits the right notes for the majority of people who are not doing professional-level creative work. It gives you the power of a desktop, the footprint of a small gadget, and the reliability of a long-standing business brand. That is a hard combination to beat. It is not perfect. The storage is small, the included keyboard and mouse are basic, and it is not meant for high-end gaming, but for what it is incredibly effective. I think the best way to approach a purchase like this is to be realistic about your own needs. If you know you are just doing office work, student tasks, and general household computing, you'll be happy with this. If you are trying to convince yourself that you can do professional video editing or modern gaming on it, you will be setting yourself up for disappointment. Stay within the bounds of what the machine is meant for, and you will find it to be a very capable, reliable, and space-saving addition to your life. It is the kind of computer that just works day in and day out without any drama, and sometimes that is exactly what you need in your daily routine. I hope this gives you a clear picture of what you can expect from the Optiplex 7010 Micro. It is a smart choice for those who value efficiency, desk space, and reliability over everything else. It is a piece of hardware that has been refined through years of enterprise use, and now that it is available in this compact form factor, it is a great option for almost anyone. Whether you're setting up a new office or just replacing an aging machine, this deserves a look if you want something that is going to be a consistent part of your workflow for the next few years. It is a dependable, no-nonsense machine that delivers exactly what it promises, and in a world of complicated and expensive tech, there is something very satisfying about that.